Today I am reviewing the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is a compact yet powerful system designed to deliver impressive performance for gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. Built by GMKtec, this device continues the brand's focus on offering high-performance mini PCs at a competitive price, making it an attractive option for users who want power in a small form factor. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 7640HS processor, a modern chip from AMD's Phoenix architecture. This processor features 6 cores and 12 threads, with base and boost clock speeds reaching up to 5.0 GHz. Despite being labeled as a Ryzen 5, this CPU delivers performance that competes with higher-tier processors thanks to its Zen 4 architecture and efficient design. It offers excellent single-core and multi-core performance, making it ideal for gaming, multitasking, office work, and content creation. One of the key advantages of this processor is its power efficiency. With a configurable TDP ranging from 45 to 60 watts, it delivers strong performance while maintaining lower power consumption compared to traditional desktop CPUs. This makes the system both energy efficient and capable of handling demanding workloads without excessive heat output. The graphics performance comes from the integrated Radeon 760M GPU, which includes 8 compute units and up to 512 shaders, clocking up to 2,600 MHz. While it is not a dedicated graphics card, the Radeon 760M is one of the most capable integrated GPUs available today. It can handle light to moderate gaming, including popular titles at 1080p with optimized settings. It also supports modern codecs such as AV1, HEVC, and AVC, making it ideal for video playback, streaming, and hardware-accelerated content creation. The system comes equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, running in dual-channel configuration. This provides excellent multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without performance drops. DDR5 memory also offers improved bandwidth and efficiency compared to older DDR4 standards. Additionally, the system supports expansion up to 128 GB of RAM, making it highly future-proof for advanced users and professionals. Storage is handled by a 512GB PCIe SSD, which provides fast boot times and quick application loading. While 512GB is sufficient for basic use, the system supports expansion with dual M.2 slots, allowing upgrades to PCIe 4.0 SSDs up to 8 TB. This makes it an excellent choice for users who require large storage capacities for games, media, or professional workloads. One of the standout features of the GMKtec M6 Ultra is its strong focus on connectivity and networking. It includes dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, providing extremely fast wired network speeds of up to 2,500 megabits per second. This is especially useful for advanced networking setups such as servers, firewalls, or high-speed data transfer environments. Whether you're using it for gaming, file sharing, or professional networking tasks, the dual LAN ports provide flexibility and performance. In addition to wired networking, the system also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6 delivers fast, stable, and low-latency wireless connectivity, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and online work. Bluetooth 5.2 allows you to connect a wide range of wireless peripherals, including keyboards, mice, headphones, and controllers, with improved speed and reliability. Display capabilities are another strong point of this mini PC. It supports triple 4K display output, allowing you to connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously. With support for USB 4, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort, you can even achieve resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz through the USB 4 connection. This makes the system perfect for multitasking, productivity setups, content creation, and immersive entertainment environments. The system also includes a wide range of ports, including multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 4, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This ensures compatibility with a variety of devices and peripherals, making it easy to build a complete workstation or entertainment setup. Cooling is another important aspect of the GMKtec M6 Ultra. As a compact system, efficient heat management is essential, and this mini PC is designed to maintain stable performance under load. The system is engineered to balance performance and temperature, ensuring reliable operation even during extended use. In terms of real-world performance, this mini PC is highly versatile. It can handle everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, and video streaming with ease. It also performs well in light to moderate gaming, making it a solid choice for casual gamers. For professionals, it offers enough power for tasks such as programming, video editing, and running virtual machines. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the integrated Radeon 760M is powerful for its class, it cannot match the performance of a dedicated high-end GPU. This means that for heavy gaming at ultra settings or demanding 3D workloads, users may eventually want a system with a discrete graphics card. However, for its size and price category, the performance it delivers is very impressive. Overall, the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is a powerful, compact, and highly capable system that offers excellent value. With its Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, fast SSD storage, strong connectivity options, and support for triple 4K displays, it is a versatile solution for gamers, professionals, and everyday users alike. If you're looking for a space-saving desktop that does not compromise on performance, this mini PC is a strong contender.